This tutorial explains how we use mMAPS autocorrelation fitter to find some parameters by fitting the data files. Go to the folder. Click on the file. Rearrange the windows. Select Data Files. Determine how many sections we equally divide for each data file. Also type in the known parameters and the initial values for the unknown. Check which parameters to be fixed during the fitting. The fixed parameters will not be changed. Check the two options if we want to see the results of sections after the fitting. Then click on Fit. The fitted values will shown by sections and by files. The rough values will shown in red. The fitting curves will show by sections for each file. Sometimes we may get strange values if the fitting is not good. We can still paste the results in Excel to manually process them.